In 1976, two young ladies began their respective Olympic journeys on sport's greatest stage. In Montreal, Canada, Evelyn Ashford, 19, from the USA, and Marlies Erlsner, 18, from the German Democratic Republic, both reached the 100 meters final. They could not have known it at the time, but they were about to head one of the greatest rivalries in the history of sport. However, this particular rivalry, unlike those that occur in sport today, has to be viewed through a specific lens, that of the ubiquitous Cold War being unrelentingly waged between East and West. This is the story of the other Cold War, where the most devastating weapons used were women.